Hello student, please subscribe my channel and press like and share button. Blessings to all of you. Listen very carefully everything. I am giving you very good information. Bless you all. Here we discuss about reaction with KMnO4 equivalent with neutral, alkaline and acidic medium, and reaction with H2 SnCl2 and reaction with H2O2 hydrogen peroxide H2O2 exercise based on potassium permanganate reactions. Very important, listen carefully. Okay, thank you for watching. Here the half reaction source for KMnO4 as oxidizing agent in alkaline medium. Its equivalent weight is MnO4 1 negative, Mn2 positive. Means first we have to select the which is the half reaction is going on over here. Okay, and secondly you have to find out equivalent weight. So this is out because this is in acidic medium, so this is out. MnO4 1 negative gives you MnO2, so this is also not a reaction of alkaline medium. This is neutral medium. We will discuss it later on. Okay, now in third case MnO4 1 negative and Mn2O7, it is not redox reaction because oxidation number of Mn in both the cases are same, so we will not say that it is redox reaction. Next, last one, MnO4 1 negative. Here it is reduced to MnO4 2 negative, permanganate to manganate ion. Okay, yes, of course this is a strong alkaline medium. This reaction is taking place in a strong alkaline medium. Now we will discuss one by one. Here in acidic medium, first I selected taken B in this neutral medium. So MnO4 1 negative converted into Mn4. MnO2 means Mn is in +4 oxidation state. So by the gain of 3 electron, here +7 oxidation state, by gain of 3 electron, there will be means both the oxidation state is equal over here. So by the gain of 3 electron, it is converted into Mn4 +4 oxidation state. So valency factor is 3, that is n factor is 3. So n factor 3 or valency factor 3 in neutral medium, so equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight by 3. So this is out because neutral medium is not given. Now alkaline medium, in case of alkaline medium, MnO4 1 negative +7 oxidation state, by gain of 1 electron it is converted into +6 oxidation state of MnO4 2 negative. So how many gain of electron? 1. So n factor 1. So equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight by 1. So this is the correct answer. Okay, this is in alkaline medium. Okay, so n factor is 1. In acidic medium, n factor is equal to molecular weight by 5. Why it is so? Because MnO4 1 negative, by gain of 5 mole of electron, it will give you Mn2 positive. So change in oxidation state, gain of electron will be how much? 5. So valency factor 5, n factor 5, that is molecular equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight by 5. Answer will be 30.